Good day to my subscribers and to all those who accidentally or not accidentally Bruna my channel. I'm going to talk about this video. This video will be short, so this is an introduction, and the topic will be about reading to overcome stuttering. Many people, but mainly teenagers, or just people. There are kids up to 18 years old, even children write to me. They write to me on VKontakte, not in the comments. They are curious. It's very important for them to know if reading helps with stuttering. They say that they read there for several hours a day, maybe 2 or 3 hours. Speed reading can increase reading speed over 5 times. It becomes expressive and natural. The speed reading technique is an effective method for increasing reading speed by more than 5 times at home. At home it turns out expressive, clear, good, comfortable, natural and free. Yes, but can this effect leave speech? What do you think? So, the exercises at home will involve a person reading for about 2 to 3 hours a day, for a month. It was loud and clear, of course, with expression. There was a psychological workshop with Oleg and Andre at the speed reading school, whatever it may be. Yes, different materials. Can this actually help? Here's a little tip for the person. But if he didn't get rid of the stuttering, did his speech get better? Yes. What do you think? My answer, but if only, but this little tip, it will probably be related, not just to reading, with other processes. There is an effect called the placebo effect. Yeah, if you're doing something, you trust it, you work on it long term, you believe your efforts matter, they will be able to help you. Your efforts are not in vain, you will see results. They can do it to bring at least some results, and you try hard, you work at it, you believe in it, hope starts to appear. And against this background, it might be possible to speak without stuttering. Most effective reading technique. It's almost like zero without a stick. Why? It's all pretty simple because people, when they speak they don't read, so it's a rare exception. For example, the lecturer is reading there. A lecture to students, being there at the university, or a teacher. In school someone reads something, but it's really only in those specializations. In these situations it's less than 5% when people speak. They talk the way. They talk using words, phrases, continuations, but they don't read. So basically, if there was a chance to speak like this, like, hey Andre, how are things over there? How are you doing over there? And so on and so forth. So it would be wrong maybe for some announcer or someone who is talking on the phone, but on the other end, they will notice. People understand that he is reading. Yeah, because when a person reads using speed reading techniques, you can immediately tell, even over the phone. But really, because it's just hard to hide. Do you think you're tied to a certain pace, especially when it comes to reading and then understanding? People speak differently. People speak simply in words, phrases, sentences. If you're going to work on something, correcting speech, eliminating stuttering, then it's not just about just reading, but about retelling. So you take some text, look at it, or recall a situation, and then retell it. Not just to yourself, but ideally, you should have someone listening to you. It's necessary. So you take some text, look at it, or recall a situation, and then retell it. Not just to yourself, but ideally, you should have someone listening to you, or rather, it's necessary. Not just to yourself, but ideally you should have someone listening to you, or rather it's necessary. At the same time, know what to emphasize, how to avoid speech blocks. There's actually a very large body of information that can be studied, but the essence is just reading, really. Just this question, I guess, was asked to me by a person, probably 30 over these 5 years. Just reading won't help you. I think you already understood why you heard me. Good luck to everyone. See you next time.